Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Not 3 weeks.
No, only 3 days.
Welcome to the weather forecast. Now, let's see what the weather is like today. It's a rainy day today, so don't leave home without your umbrella.
Rainy.
It is quite windy and the temperature is just 18 degrees.
Windy.
Sam, where is my umbrella?
Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
Sam, have you seen my orange raincoat?
Raincoat.
Oh no, my boots are so dirty.
Boots.
Sam, let's go for a walk.
Boots. Raincoat. Umbrella.
It looks like the rain has stopped, but it's still cloudy.
Cloudy.
It looks like the weather is starting to improve. Do you like sunny weather, Sam?
Sunny weather.
What's going on with the weather today? Is that snow?
Snow. Let's repeat it together. What's the weather like today? You are right. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is windy. It is cloudy. It is snowing. You are amazing. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.